Hey, aloha everybody and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 346 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv or sometimes here in the mountains. Right? Should we go? Let's go. We have some really good friends, Chris and Lana, and they are expert hikers, and they're so good to have in our lives because by default I pretty much just go to the beach every day. But when they give us a call and say, let's go on a hike, I absolutely love it because it is so beautiful here in the mountains of Oahu, and it's hikes that hardly anybody that comes to the island ever sees. The idea for today's show is from Brent Dog because I learned in the car that he doesn't like to turn around on a hike. He only will do, quote, only, loop hikes because if they are doing a hike that's to a destination and then you turn around and go back in, Brent literally will plop his ecoli down on the trail and say, no, I don't want to go back. But a loop trail, you can kind of keep sneaking him along until he gets home and then he has his Homer Simpson moment. So my friend Chris, he refers to this as the been there, done that syndrome. And it got me to thinking about how that's one of the different preferences that we all have, which is, do you like frequently exploring new territory, or do you like having a destination and then coming back through known territory? I think it's an interesting concept of life. I actually like both, of course. Of course, you know, one of the things that adds the gray zone to this concept of do you like the known or the unknown is if it's a known or unknown that you're trying by choice, meaning we chose to come on this beautiful hike, and that's completely different than when I am put in a situation that's very stressful and I'm having to deal with my unknown world without actually having chosen it. Let's go, Lex. That's our hike for today. If you'd like to Skype, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, you can call 949-544-1456. And thanks, Brent, for the idea for today's show.